Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with OfferUp for selling items. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open the OfferUp app on your smartphone. If you don't have the app, download it from your device's app store. Once the app is installed, tap to open it. Create an account by selecting the sign up option. You can sign up using your email, phone number, or social media account. After signing up, log into your account. On the home screen, locate the Sell button, usually found at the bottom or top of the screen. Tap the Sell button to start listing your item. Choose the type of item you're selling from the provided categories. Take clear photos of your item, making sure to capture it from different angles. Upload the photos to your listing by selecting them from your device's gallery. Next, provide a descriptive title for your item. In the description section, include important details like brand, size, and condition. Set a competitive price for your item based on similar listings. If applicable, select whether you offer shipping options to buyers. Choose your preferred payment methods for transactions. Review your listing to ensure all information is accurate. Once satisfied, tap the Post button to make your listing live. Your item is now visible to potential buyers in your area. Be prepared to answer messages from interested buyers promptly. Once you find a buyer, arrange for a safe meeting location for the exchange. Remember to communicate clearly and confirm the payment method with the buyer. After the transaction, consider updating your profile or providing feedback about the buyer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.